It's probably one of our biggest setups.
3, 2, 1, action!
You can see the truck's now dangling. There's about a 6.5 metre drop. The shot starts with Julia and Matilda in the back. The camera comes across, we see Blake in the driver's door, and all of a sudden the door bursts open. Stunt double falls away, crashes to the ground below, then the camera keeps moving around. We see the girl starting to climb out, and then we end up right looking back up on Blake. A lot of moving parts. There's special effects involved, stunts, cast, doubles, the works, you know. Camera moves have got to be timed to perfection, and it's just a full-on action sequence.